is a song. Let your song be a breath, and let your breath be a song. And approach it that way. Every once in a while, take a minute and make your song a breath. Make your breath a song. So our first song, our first breath song, goes like this. We get the heart. This is the sound of the heart beating, and so it goes. It's a beautiful song. Now we do the next song. The next song is a little more complex. It goes like this. No, wait. There's a song. It goes. Great. We got those songs. Now, so we have enough people in the room. This side of the room has song 1, and this side of the room has song 2. And we're going to make this happen. Change this world every day. We change the world in every way. Everything we do is affecting everyone around us. So, you have the power. You have the power to make this world a different place. You have the power. We have the power. Let's sing it together. Like this. We got the power. If you hear it, join in. We got the power. Come on. Every day we got the power. We got the power. Come on. Every day we got the power. We got the power. Come on. You know we got the power. We got the power. Woo. We got the power. Come on. We got the power. We say it like this. We change it. We got the power. We got the power. Yeah. We got the power. We got the power. Let's go back up. We got the power. Come on. We got the power. Come on. We got the power. Every day we got the power. We got the power. Come on. Every day we got the power. We got the power.